Did you know that even seasoned affiliate marketers make mistakes that can cost them thousands of dollars? If you're starting out or want to sharpen your skills, stick around as we dive into the top affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid, with tips from the pros. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative venture, but it's fraught with potential pitfalls. From choosing the wrong niche to neglecting analytics, mistakes can derail your efforts and cost you both time and money. Affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid. Tips from the pros. This is part 8 of our 15-part series on affiliate marketing. Be sure to check out the other parts of this series in the description below. You can revisit specific sections or jump ahead to topics where you need the most help. Let's continue on your path to affiliate marketing success. In this video, we'll explore the most common mistakes affiliate marketers make and provide expert tips to help you steer clear of them. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your strategies, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to succeed in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is appealing because of its low barrier to entry and potential for passive income. However, it's not without its challenges. Many aspiring marketers dive in without a clear plan or understanding of the industry, leading to frustration and failure. Let's explore some of the key challenges that can trip you up on your journey. 1. Choosing the wrong niche. One of the biggest mistakes new affiliate marketers make is choosing a niche based on profitability alone, without considering their own interests and expertise. Tip: choose a niche you're passionate about. It's easier to create content and engage with your audience if you're genuinely interested in the topic. Example: if you love fitness, promoting health supplements and workout gear can be a natural fit. 2. Ignoring SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is critical for driving organic traffic to your affiliate content. Many marketers neglect SEO, resulting in low visibility and poor traffic. Tip: invest time in learning SEO basics. Optimize your content with relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and high-quality backlinks. Example: use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to find keywords that your target audience is searching for. 3. Neglecting content quality. High-quality content is the backbone of successful affiliate marketing. Poorly written, shallow content can drive visitors away and damage your credibility. Tip: focus on creating valuable, informative, and engaging content. Use visuals, such as images and videos, to enhance your posts. Example: write in-depth product reviews, how-to guides, and comparison posts to provide real value to your audience. 4. Overlooking mobile optimization. With more people browsing on mobile devices, it's crucial to ensure your content is mobile-friendly. Neglecting mobile optimization can lead to a poor user experience and lost sales. Tip: use responsive design for your website. Test your pages on different devices to ensure they load quickly and display correctly. Example: Google's mobile-friendly test tool can help you identify and fix mobile usability issues. 5. Failing to build an email list. An email list is a powerful asset in affiliate marketing. Many marketers overlook email marketing, missing out on a direct line of communication with their audience. Tip: offer incentives like free ebooks or exclusive tips to encourage visitors to subscribe. Use email marketing platforms to manage your campaigns. Example: send regular newsletters with valuable content and product recommendations to your subscribers. 6. Not tracking performance metrics. Without tracking your performance, it's impossible to know what's working and what's not. Many marketers skip this step, leading to inefficient strategies and missed opportunities. Tip: use analytics tools to monitor your traffic, conversions, and other key metrics. Adjust your strategies based on the data. Example: Google Analytics and affiliate network dashboards provide insights into your campaign performance. 7. Relying on one traffic source. Relying on a single traffic source, such as Google Search or social media, can be risky. Changes in algorithms or policies can drastically reduce your traffic overnight. Tip: diversify your traffic sources. Combine SEO, social media, email marketing, and paid advertising for a balanced approach. Example: promote your content on multiple social media platforms and consider using paid ads to reach a broader audience. 8. Spamming affiliate links. Overloading your content with affiliate links can come off as spammy and deter potential buyers. It can also hurt your SEO and credibility. Tip: integrate affiliate links naturally within your content. Focus on providing value first and foremost. Example: instead of stuffing links in every paragraph, place them strategically in relevant sections of your post. 9. Ignoring social proof. Social proof, such as reviews and testimonials, can significantly boost your credibility and conversion rates. Many marketers overlook the power of social proof. Tip: encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and testimonials. Display these prominently on your website and marketing materials. Example: highlight positive feedback and user-generated content on your landing pages and social media profiles. 10. Giving up too soon. Affiliate marketing requires patience and persistence. Many marketers give up too soon, expecting overnight success and immediate results. Tip: set realistic expectations and stay committed. Understand that building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time. Example: create a content calendar and stick to it, consistently publishing new content and promoting your affiliate offers. Let's take a look at a success story to illustrate these points. Meet Sarah, a full-time nurse who decided to start an affiliate marketing business in her spare time. She initially struggled, making many of the mistakes we've discussed. However, by learning from these errors and applying the tips shared by experienced marketers, Sarah turned her side hustle into a thriving business. Success story: Sarah's journey from struggling affiliate marketer to earning a full-time income highlights the importance of perseverance and learning from mistakes. She focused on a niche she was passionate about, health and wellness, optimized her content for SEO, built a responsive website, grew her email list, and diversified her traffic sources. Today, Sarah enjoys a steady stream of passive income, proving that with the right strategies, success in affiliate marketing is achievable. To recap, avoiding common affiliate marketing mistakes can significantly boost your chances of success. Remember to choose a niche you're passionate about, prioritize SEO, create high-quality content, optimize for mobile, build an email list, track your performance metrics, diversify your traffic sources, integrate affiliate links naturally, leverage social proof, and, most importantly, stay committed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on affiliate marketing. Share your experiences and any mistakes you've learned from in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community where we can all grow and succeed together. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!